In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get premium Shopify themes for free in 2025. If you've been running your Shopify store and are looking to upgrade its appearance without spending extra on premium themes, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in and explore these easy steps so you can select the perfect theme that suits your business needs. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head over to the home section of your online store's dashboard. This is where you'll start your journey into picking a great theme. Your dashboard is essentially the control center for your store, so familiarize yourself with where everything is located if you haven't already. Next, you want to click on Online Store from the menu that's situated on the left side of your screen. This section is particularly important because it houses all the visual elements for your store, along with various customization options. Here you can manage all aspects of your store's appearance, which includes themes, navigation, and most importantly, what your customers will see when visiting your store. Once you're in the online store section, look for the Themes panel and click on Visit Theme Store. This action will redirect you to Shopify's official theme store. Here you will find a plethora of theme choices ranging from free to premium. The official theme store is a rich resource filled with wonderfully designed themes meant to elevate the browsing experience for your customers. After entering the theme store, you will want to refine your search. Click on the Price filter. This is crucial because it allows you to narrow down the themes based on cost. To find those highly coveted free premium themes, enable the free filter. Doing so will display high-quality themes at no cost, perfect for those seeking professional designs without a hefty price tag. Next, you can filter by industry. This is helpful if you want a theme tailored to your specific market niche. Whether it's retail, technology, or fashion, picking a theme designed for your industry can provide you with features that are most beneficial for your specific customer interactions. Following that, refine your search by selecting Catalog Size. This helps you choose themes based on the number of products you offer, ensuring that no matter how big or small your inventory is, you have a design that showcases your products effectively. Finally, select the Features filter to further refine your options. This filter allows you to search for specific functionalities, like quick view, customizable content sections, or even integrated social media options. These features can drastically improve user experience and optimize your store's performance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the process of finding and selecting a free premium theme within Shopify. Enjoy exploring these themes, and I hope it elevates the look and feel of your online store, providing the right look for your brand while keeping costs low.